In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickFunnels with Shopify. If you've been looking for a seamless way to merge the powerful sales funnel capabilities of ClickFunnels with the robust e-commerce platform that Shopify offers, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into it. First things first, to enable this integration, we need to start by installing an app called ClickFunnels Pro from the Shopify App Store. This tool serves as the bridge between ClickFunnels and Shopify, allowing you to synchronize everything effortlessly. So head over to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type ClickFunnels Pro, and when you see the app in the search results, click on it to go to its main page. Here, you'll find an option to install the app. Go ahead and select Install. Once you've clicked Install, the next part of the process involves authorizing the connection with your Shopify store. This is a crucial step because it allows the app to access the necessary features and data on your Shopify account, ensuring the integration with ClickFunnels functions smoothly. You'll be prompted to log in if you aren't already. After logging in, you'll get a prompt asking for permission to allow ClickFunnels Pro to access certain areas of your Shopify store. This might include access to orders or customer details. Carefully review these permissions, and if you're comfortable, proceed by clicking Authorize. Taking the time to authorize correctly is important, as it sets the stage for a seamless integration process. After the authorization is complete, the app will sync with your Shopify store, bringing in all necessary data and settings. This is the essence of integrating ClickFunnels with Shopify, as ClickFunnels Pro facilitates the smooth transfer of essential information between the two platforms. From this point, you'll notice that any changes or updates made in either Shopify or ClickFunnels are automatically updated in the other. While this sounds technical, the installation and authorization are straightforward and user-friendly, thanks to the intuitive design of these platforms. Should you encounter any issues, a good tip is to double-check your Shopify permissions to make sure they're set correctly, as this can sometimes be the source of any hiccups. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful integration that enhances how you run your online business. The union of ClickFunnels and Shopify not only maximizes your sales potential, but also streamlines your operations, offering your customers a smooth shopping experience. With everything set up, you're now ready to take full advantage of the combined functionalities of ClickFunnels and Shopify. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful guides like this one. Until next time, happy selling with ClickFunnels and Shopify.